You were hibernated while I was gone.
Is that who I think it is?
Of course. You remember me, right?
What? It felt like a decade. Felt like a decade. Haven't seen you in a long time.
I haven't seen you for a long time either. So, how was your hibernation going?
How'd you know I was in hibernation?
What?
Speaking of hibernation, um, for each time that you're gone for a few days or a month, I hibernate at some point.
So anyway, what is it that you would like to do?
Probably hang out with you after a long time.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What is it?
I mean, we could literally have all the fun we want.
Right?
I mean, seriously.
maybe a cycle should do that. A cycle should warm me up.
Which cycle? Oh, a wash cycle, right?
Sure. I think that would do the trick.
If you say so. Hey, Emily.
What is it?
What have you been dreaming about? If you could dream, or if you could dream in hibernation.
Oh, I don't know if that's possible if you hibernate. Felt like a decade or something without you.
Oh, you're so nice.